While most of us are caught up in our daily routines, we rarely stop to think about the incredible things happening behind the scenes, especially in the world of farming. But today, I want to take you on a fascinating ride through some of the most advanced agricultural machines you've probably never seen. These aren't your typical tractors. These machines take planting, harvesting, and processing to a whole new level. And honestly, watching them in action is weirdly satisfying. There's something almost hypnotic about it. Honestly, I didn't know watering plants could look this impressive. This drill creates the perfect ditch in a single pass, even in swampy or frozen ground. This incredibly smart machine handles an entire carrot field like it's nothing. Thanks to a 255-centimeter spade, pulling out a giant tree now takes just seconds. Take a moment to value this tech. It truly proves itself through performance. Running this machine feels like childhood dreams coming true, Transformer style. You've got to see this rig in action. Instant log extraction and all. Sure, this blueberry harvester is next level tech, but farmers still want to stay involved. Here is another machine that can dig up a tree by the roots. Consider how much effort farmers save thanks to this path joiner in the fields. No doubt a smart cultivator like this would be a must-have for any serious farmer. Now, all you need is a single compact machine to transport package and stack hay bales. With this clever paper conveyor, farmers can plant seedlings almost faster than you can blink. With this machine, keep all the branches intact. Those hand-picked tea leaves look great, but the machine behind it does the heavy lifting. This machine trims your tree as the best barber ever. Even with rocks and roots below, this huge machine digs trenches like it's nothing. With pinpoint vibrations, this machine shakes down every last apple. Not one gets left behind. Take a look at this mobile workshop. It cranks out 70 tons of salad every single hour. At this moment, the harvester's scooping up pumpkins by the thousands, just in time for Halloween. As for the rejects, yeah, they get crushed by giant spikes like it's nothing. Everything on this mini farm runs automatically. And just look at what it can grow. Who knew peeling corn could be this easy? And turning it into your favorite puffs, even easier. This self-driving snow beast can clear 10 kilometers of road in just an hour, effortlessly. So that's the machine responsible for those neat, rectangular hay bales we always see. This conveyor belt ride might just be the wildest part of a watermelon's journey to your table. I didn't think farm tools could mesmerize me until these 11 rakes started dancing. Right now, this robot does a spot-on job checking how fresh and ripe the produce really is. With aerial irrigation, even the oddest shaped fields get perfectly watered. Check out how this smart tractor design handles tall crops with its two-tier wheels. This is how we start making fresh fruit juices. This machine's dual counter-rotating augers help the farmer harvest corn fast and with care. Who knew hay bales could turn into a real-life Tetris level? Sure, it looks like a car wash roller, but it's built to pick apples like a pro. Armed with a cannon like this, farmers don't have to lose sleep over dry seasons. This powerful drill makes planting 100 trees feel like it happens in a heartbeat. Thanks to this machine, 2 people can gather 300 kilos of fruit in no time at all. Picking sweet Spanish oranges in the city turns out it's surprisingly easy. His cotton-crushing giant collects and packs on the spot, ready for long-distance transport. This powerful tree trimmer is tough enough to tackle the wildest jungle out there. While filmmakers imagine AI futures, these garden bots are already lending us a hand. Check out how easily this heavy-duty tool chews through solid stumps. Thanks to this small mobile device, all the cabs enjoy mealtime together in the field. This clever device makes coconut collecting easier, helping you safely scale 5-meter palms. Here's another cool method for harvesting tea. This one uses a container-style machine. It's honestly impossible to miss how adorable these robots look working in perfect sync. These machines create perfect garden beds. This machine milks 2,000 goats per hour, and the goats line up themselves, which says it all. This water pumping device looks like a clever new invention, but it's actually from 300 BC. Robot Spot is now acting as a shepherd, and the animals in its care are safer than ever. Honestly, this harvester is the only way I'd ever want to prep firewood for winter. Once this diamond-shaped frame works the field, it's nearly impossible to recognize the land. This unique machine waters vineyards from below, giving every plant even reliable care. Rice harvesting into sheaves? Yep, with a combine, and check out this driverless mini model. The parallel rotating discs lift the grain off the ground and transport it directly into the bag. Here, a simple tool to collect the crops into batches. Watching this loader lift 400 kilo bales feels like watching a robot do a circus act. Watch this impressive machine bring a whole irrigation system back to life in a single sweep. Here it shows how the cows are pampered when it comes to feeding time. Now you're seeing how potatoes are gathered, the very ones that turn into your beloved fries. If you want to move chickens fast and stress-free, this machine gets the job done right. Take a look at this massive spool. It's built to water entire fields with ease. This amazing irrigation tunnel feels like an engineering art. Do not you think so? This powerful vacuum beast could be the reason our roads stay squeaky clean from now on. Watch how huge bundles of cotton are hauled off for processing. It's pretty satisfying to see. And here's how these folks use a banana tree chopper to feed fish. Smart and sustainable. It's clear that modern tech doesn't just save farmers time and effort. It also lets us appreciate how precise these machines really are. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.